Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. March 21, 2026, Saturday Racing. Karera na naman sa araw ng Sabado, dito pa rin ang venue sa Metro Turf, Tanawan, Batangas. Patuloy po nating i-acknowledge pagpupugay sa lahat ng mga kababaihan ngayong buwan ng Marso, Philippine National Women's Month Celebration. Patuloy po ang sistema na sinusunod, Ferrocom Rating-Based Handicap System Race. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 8 races. All 8 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng Sabado, 3 p.m. alas 3 ng hapon. Umpisahan na po natin. Himay-himayin na po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Race number 1. Isang 3-year-old and above maiden race. Non-winner group at non-placers. Ito po ang starting ng pick 5, first pick 5, covers races 1 to 5. Ito lang yung tanging kokonte ang entries, 5, pero mahirap pa rin at dahil mga kabayo ito na hindi pa nananalo, non-placers pa. Ang ating po napiling cool first choice, mga nakarang takbo, floating run, baka dito, pull of action. Cool first choice number 1, Baron of Sipokot. Cool second choice, may angking bilis kumpara sa mga nasa lineup. Cool second choice number 5, Fastidious. Race 2. Ito yung winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. May Super 6 event ang race 2. Rating base handicap group 6 to 10. Ang ating pong napiling cool first choice, baka dito na, kumalaw na ng tunay na tunay. Cool first choice natin number 8, Point of Pride. Cool second choice, number 5, May Jopay. Nag-aabang ng pagkakataon. Cool third choice, last to enter. Mga nakaraan, hindi masyadong nagparamdam o talagang no action. Dito, merong surprise win kung sakali. Cool third choice natin, number 11, Adorable Felicia. Race 3, pick 6, covers races 3 to 8. Race 3 may pentapecta event. Solid. 22 hanggang 27. Rating base handicap group. Dito po sa race 3, ang ating pong cool first choice for a surprise win. Number 8, Perpetuator. Cool second choice, isang makukonsider natin consistent runner. Ang kailangan lang, magandang salida. Cool second choice, number 10, Concrete Solution. Meron po tayong cool third choice, yung coupled entry, 3 Calendar Girl, 3A, Precise Move. Race 4, second pick 5, covers races 4 to 8. Solid po lahat. Rating base handicap group 22 hanggang 27. Ang ating pong cool first choice ay maiksi lang ang ating pong notion. This race. Ang ating pong cool first choice number 4, Saratoga Chrome. Cool second choice, yung expected Most likely, outstanding favorite, number 11, Batang Cabrera. Meron po tayong cool third choice, last to enter. Bagamat mga huling takbo ay floating run ang consideration ko dito, tingin ko ay magpapakita sa atin ng maganda at matulis na pagsugod. Cool third choice number 13, American Faria. Race 5 sa likod ng programa, Pick 4 covers races 5 to 8. Merge ito ng dalawang rating-based handicap group. Yung mataas, 28 hanggang 33. At yung mas mababa, 22 hanggang 27. Nandito po yung karamihan. Yung karamihan po dito actually ay 26 rating-based group. At dito, yung ating pong cool first choice, kabilang dun sa mataas, dun sa 28 hanggang 33. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, para sa masa with Jackie A.M. Bupete. Cool second choice, nagpagpag na ng kalawang, last time out. Number 12, ang ating pong cool second choice, whiskey or wine. Nandito na tayo sa race 6, may pentapecta event, solid. Lahat po ito, lahat. Rating base handicap 11 to 15 and actually lahat sila uniform 11 rating base group. Lahat po sila 11. Ang ating pong cool first choice, nakaraan ay sumigundo na. Cool first choice natin number 6, Stan in Faith. Cool second choice, number 2. Ito, nung nakaraan, sinubok-subok na. Pero, sa akin pong pakiwari at akin pong humble observation, hindi pa todo. Baka dito. Cool second choice, number 2, King of Sipokot. At cool third choice, kasama sa unahan, kaagad-agad, number 4, Rule the World. Race 7, penultimate race na may pentapecta event. Dito po sa race 7, solid po na 16 to 21 pero marami pong going down. Pagkatapos ng karerang ito, hindi nanalo at hindi nagplase, pupunta na sa mas mababang 17-41 split classification. Yung mga going down po rito, Ladywag Red, Miss Pinkerton, Sapin-Sapin, Grand Jackpot, at yung number 11, Brown Fire Rate. Ang ating pong cool first choice dito for surprise but expected win. Yun po yung aking humble assessment. Cool first choice number 6, Diamond Heart. Is keeper by C.A. Reyes. Cool second choice from the outside. So agad-agad makakapwesto, makakapili ng gustong posisyon. Cool second choice number 11, Brown Fire Rate. J.L. Lazaro on the saddle. As race 8 para tingan, may Super 6. Ito pong race 8, solid, rating-based handicap group, 11 to 15 lahat. Ang ating pong cool first choice for the second win niya. Number 1, Distant Thunder. Coupled entry 1A, Fire in the Sky. Ang ating pong cool second choice, gumalaw na ito nakaraan. Pero siyempre, pader yung kalaban. Kaya, hindi pa to full of action doon. Dito, pwede. Cool second choice number 4, Full Combat Order. bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!